Hey everyone, in this video I'm demonstrating how I do 2 protective braids in my hair the day after washing it. Some of you wanted to see the demo, so here it is. So because I'm just misting my hair, I still need to detangle it a bit before braiding. I like to start with finger detangling and then move on to using my detangling brush. If I notice my brush isn't easily moving through my hair, I put it down. Then I finger detangle a little more before resuming. Now that my hair is all detangled and re-moisturized, it's time for gel. I couldn't decide which gel, but I wanted to put these two to the test. So starting with the main choice, crystal gel, I start smoothing the edges and then move on to gelling down that frizzy crown. And for the super observant of you, y'all could just ignore my hairy pits. These is quarantine pits. You heard me? No, I'm real serious. I literally don't go anywhere. I work virtual and I very rarely go out, only to the grocery store. And when I do, I don't have on tops that show my underarms. Right now, to be honest, this is just so not important to me. As long as it doesn't stink, I'm good. Moving right along, I'm not an expert braider, but I get the job done using this overhanded braiding technique. Then of course I go back to smooth my edges. I still don't know how I feel about this gel for my edges. Now I'm going to use the Eco Styler gel. And now for the hair jewelry. I will leave a link in the description box below to this hair jewelry set that I got, but it's got a lot of pieces to it and it was very cheap. So this style is slightly different from what I posted, but the only real difference is where the part is located and the accessories used. I also did this on dry hair versus wet hair. This style is low manipulation once the braids are done, but you can pin those 2 braids up in the back to make it fully protective. That's actually what I did this past week. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like these little hairstyling demos, give this video a thumbs up. Thanks again, and I will see you in the next video. And for the pics.